Day 5, the grand finale. You did it! You made it to the final day. This is incredible. Welcome to Easy English, the podcast. I'm Lisa, and this is Day 5, the last day of your 5-day challenge. Look at you! Days 1, 2, 3, 4, you showed up every single day. That's not just learning, that's transformation. Today is special. We're putting everything together in real situations. Restaurant, shopping, meeting people, real life. 30 practical sentences today. Same shadowing method. I say it, you repeat it, you own it. By the end, you'll be ready for the real world. Before we start, if you haven't subscribed yet, now is the time. You completed the challenge. Join the community officially. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Pause for a second. Ready for your final day? Let's make Day 5 legendary. At the restaurant. One of the most common situations. Let's learn how to order food like a pro. Can I see the menu, please? Can I see the menu, please? Can I see the menu, please? Good. I'd like to order now. I'd like to order now. I'd like to order now. Perfect. Can I have a glass of water? Can I have a glass of water? Can I have a glass of water? Excellent. What do you recommend? What do you recommend? What do you recommend? Great. I'll have the chicken, please. I'll have the chicken, please. I'll have the chicken, please. Nice. Halfway through block 1. You're ordering food like a native. Is this dish spicy? Is this dish spicy? Is this dish spicy? Wonderful. Can I get that without onions? Can I get that without onions? Nice. This looks delicious. This looks delicious. Perfect. Can I have the bill, please? Can I have the bill, please? Great job. Thank you. Everything was great. Thank you. Everything was great. Thank you. Everything was great. Excellent. Block 1 complete. Amazing. You can now order food confidently. Real conversations you'll have this week. Block 2, shopping and asking for help. These sentences work everywhere: stores, streets, hotels. Ready? Let's practice. Sentence 11. How much does this cost? How much does this cost? How much does this cost? Good. Sentence 12. Can I try this on? Can I try this on? Can I try this on? Perfect. Sentence 13. Do you have this in another size? Do you have this in another size? Do you have this in another size? Great. Sentence 14. I'm just looking, thank you. I'm just looking, thank you. I'm just looking, thank you. Excellent. Sentence 15. Where can I find the bathroom? Where can I find the bathroom? Where can I find the bathroom? Perfect. Halfway through block 2. You're navigating real situations. Sentence 16. Can you help me, please? Can you help me, please? Can you help me, please? Nice. Sentence 17. I'm looking for a gift. I'm looking for a gift. Wonderful. Sentence 18. Do you accept credit cards? Do you accept credit cards? Perfect. Perfect. Sentence 19. Can I get a bag, please? Can I get a bag, please? Great. Sentence 20. Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. Excellent. Block 2 done. Yes, you can shop and ask for help. Let's finish this challenge strong. Final block, meeting people and social situations. This is where English gets real and fun, making friends, networking, connecting. Ready? Let's do this.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Perfect. Sentence 22. How's your day going? How's your day going? How's your day going? Great. Sentence 23. What do you do for work? What do you do for work? What do you do for work? Excellent. Sentence 24. That sounds interesting. That sounds interesting. That sounds interesting. Nice. Sentence 25. Where are you from? Where are you from? Where are you from? Amazing! Just 5 more. You're almost at the finish line. Sentence 26. Would you like to join us? Would you like to join us? Would you like to join us? Wonderful. Sentence 27. Let's stay in touch. Let's stay in touch. Let's stay in touch. Perfect. Sentence 28. Can I get your number? Can I get your number? Can I get your number? Great. Sentence 29. It was great talking to you. It was great talking to you. It was great talking to you. Excellent. Sentence 30. See you soon. See you soon. See you soon. Yes! Day 5 complete. All 30 sentences. You finished the 5-day challenge.
5 days. Look at what you did. Let's review your entire journey. Day 1, you learned to talk about yourself. Day 2, you learned daily actions and needs. Day 3, you learned to ask questions. Day 4, you learned to express feelings and opinions. Day 5, you learned real-life situations. This is massive. You went from basic introduction to having real conversations in just 5 days. You learned 150 practical sentences, restaurant English, shopping English, social English, question words, present continuous, how to express needs, feelings, and opinions. But most importantly, you learned that you can speak English. 5 days ago, you started. Some people said, "I'll do it tomorrow." Some people quit after day 1. Some people gave up after day 2. But you showed up every single day. That's not just a challenge, that's a habit. That's not just practice, that's commitment. That's not just learning, that's transformation. And this is just the beginning. Keep practicing these sentences. Use them in real life. Come back to these videos. Your English journey doesn't end here. It starts here. Before you go, let's celebrate properly. Number 1, subscribe if you haven't yet. You completed the challenge. You're part of the community now. More challenges, more English, more transformation coming. Number 2, comment 5-day challenge complete. Tell me how you feel right now. Proud? Excited? Confident? Tell me. And tag someone who needs to see this challenge. Number 3, go use your English. This week, use 1 sentence from each day in real life. Order food in English. Ask a question. Introduce yourself. Do it. You know what makes me so happy? Reading comments from day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, and seeing the same people show up every single day. That's you. You didn't quit when it got hard. You didn't skip when you were busy. You didn't give up when you made mistakes. You showed up, you practiced, you finished. That's the difference between people who dream of speaking English and people who actually speak English. This challenge proved something important. You don't need years to start speaking. You don't need expensive courses. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to show up and practice. And you did that for 5 days straight. One more thing. I'm already working on new challenges. 7-day fluency booster, 30-day transformation, travel English series. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss them. 5 days. 5 transformational days. You started as someone who wanted to speak English. You're ending as someone who can speak English. The difference? You took action. I'm so incredibly proud of you. This is your achievement. This is your English. This is your voice. Thank you for trusting me. Thank you for showing up. Thank you for being here. Now go out there and use your English. The world is waiting to hear your voice. Congratulations on completing the 5-day English speaking challenge. This was Easy English, the podcast. I'm Lisa. You did it! See you in the next challenge.